Everything your program has known so far, you type into the file yourself. A name, a score. Want a different answer? Open the file and edit it. That is not how real things work. A party planner cannot know how many people are coming, so it asks, here is what asking looks like. The program stops, a question sits there on the screen, the cursor blinks, and nothing else happens at all. It is just waiting for you. You type 12 and press enter, and your answer goes straight into a box. The same labeled box from lesson 1. Nobody edited the file. The program just asked. But look at the tag on that box, a string. You typed a number and input still handed back a string. And you know exactly what a string does when you ask it to do maths. It views. So wrap it, int, around input, ask the question, take the answer, peel the quotes off, and drop a real number in the box. Input asks and waits. Whatever comes back is a string. Wrap it in int when you need a number. Let's write it. Line 1, ask for a name and keep the answer in a box. Line 2, ask how many guests and wrap that one in int because we are about to do maths with it. And line 3, an F string printing 2 slices for every guest. Run it, and the program stops and asks. Type Arjun for the name, then 12 for the guests. Then the answer appears, Arjun order 24 slices. Now it is your turn. Type those 3 lines in any editor, save it as party.py and run it. Then take the int of line 2 and ask for 12 guests again. Instead of 24, you get 12, a string glued to itself, twice. Next episode, true and false. The 2 words, every decision in Python runs on. See you there.